Oh, hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I have Malav Rajda with me. So, Malav is, I think, if you're a fan of, if you're from the Hindi heartlands and then from the north of India, or you're Hindi speaking people, you would surely would have heard name of Malav. Malav is the director of TMK OC, which is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. And I just can't express my happiness to have you here, Malav. Thank you very much for joining me in. I think a very short notice, just a quick thing, and you were like, yeah, I can join in. And yeah, so thank you very much for joining in. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you very much.
Same here, Lakshit.
Yes. So before we get into any discussion, Malav, it would be great if you could introduce yourself, what you do, and everything about your work.
Yeah, I mean, I've been directing Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma since the last, I think, almost 13 years. So I joined the show when we had shot for 98 episodes. In the middle, I was again away for like 150 episodes. So totally out of around 3,300 episodes, I have not been a part of 250 episodes. And I have been part of close to more than 3,000 episodes. So I always tell my producer, ke, like, sir, मेरी जवानी तो यहीं पे चली गई है तारक मेहता में. So yeah, since the time I think, I think I've grown up here. Yeah, you can say I've grown up. I'm just 38 now. So probably when I was 25, I joined Tarak Mehta. And since then, I've been doing Tarak Mehta. It's 13 long years now.
And how does that feel to be with part of something which is like extraordinary?
It feels great, yeah, because, it feels great because, Lakshit, everybody here in this show has earned a lot of fame, lot of money, lot of love from people. But I think I am the only person, who has probably, got a life partner from the show.
Yeah.
So I met my wife Priya, who plays the role of Rita Reporter in the show. So, I've got fame, money, love, and a life partner who's giving me a lovely son now. So, Tarak Mehta is a it holds a very special place in my heart.
Yeah, wonderful. And so I think no, if I think pretty much every Indian would know what is Tarak Mehta. Of course, even if they don't understand the language there, they would surely would have seen at least one picture of Jethalal or something for sure. Pretty much sure about that. Yeah. So so how have things changed? Like I started seeing Tarak Mehta. I think since the beginning for the first episode when things were there coming up, and I think since the day one it is one of the beautiful show. And you said you joined the show when you were on the 98th episode or something as such. So how have things
Yeah.
changed there? Like how things are changing, how the way it's being created, how things are changing there at the setup and the way it's created.
See, the things changing in the way like earlier, our show was based around Tapu Sena, which who were the kids of the show. But, with time they grew up. They from school they started going to college. So, what happens is like if a kid in a house wants to watch the show, parents will watch it. So we had that core audience of kids with us. So what people think is missing now because the kids have grown up. So now probably what we might do with them, what we did in the school days. It might look cute that time, but if we do that now, it might look irritating. So if in childhood Tapu breaks Bide's glass, he can be scared, he can run away from there. But now if Tapu being in college, if he breaks a glass, he can say, हाँ बड़े अंकल मैं आपको पैसे दे दूंगा, पैसे ले लो. So there is a major shift. Once you start growing up. So I think a lot of things have changed, Lakshit, but the only thing has not changed is the passion and the hard work the entire team puts in.
Yeah.
Like because it's not easy doing a comedy show for 14 years without taking a leap. We've not taken a leap. 90% of our actors have been the same. So like we all sometimes what happens, people say यार अभी उतना मजा नहीं है, अभी इतना मजा नहीं है, अभी कॉमेडी कम है. But think of it, Lakshit, writing a comedy show for like 14 years. We know how best we are doing. We know how much effort the producer is putting in. Our producer Asid Bhai goes through every script 3 to 4 times. It's not like a writer ne likh ke de diya. So the writers are working really hard. The producer is working really hard. The actors are working really hard. The direction team, the entire crew, like the DOP, the spots. they all are working very hard. पर कभी कभी what happens is this is a very subjective thing. आपको एक एपिसोड अच्छा लगेगा, एक एपिसोड मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Yeah.
So it's a very subjective thing. As long as majority people are enjoying it, which the ratings are showing. So, I think they are doing a good job here. I really feel, and there's always a scope to improve in everything in life. And that's what even we look at. We try and always see where we can improve. We may fail sometimes, but the effort is always there to keep making it better.
Yes, totally. I think the effort is being seen, and I think Tarak Mehta as a thing is an addiction to people. When it's 8:30, your father tells you 8:30 baj gaye, sab TV lagao.
Yeah.
It has become an addiction. It's become a thing of every day. But many of the critics just put this up that the of course, as you said, that it was very more centric towards Tapu Sera and the kids, what they were doing in the society and how fun they were having and how intelligently they were solving problems and all of that. But now as they have grown up, things have changed and it's going to become irritating. But also that as critics says that things what's happening is it's happening like you're just trying to pull the show longer and longer, and the creativity is losing. How much do you agree on that part, and what do you think?
Lakshit, I honestly, do not agree to that part that, we are trying to pull the episodes. Sometimes, what happens is, I mean, a normal audience may not take this into account, but, sometimes when you're doing a story in a flow, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, एक्टर्स का प्रॉब्लम होता है, somebody's health might be wrong. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कोई अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, किसी की हेल्थ खराब है, फॉर हेल्थ रीजन दे आर नॉट शूटिंग. Sometimes someone is not shooting for personal reasons. So that time we have to tweak the story, and we have to probably, because we know the next story, if we move on to it, the actor is not fine.
Yeah.
Or maybe the writer is not ready with the right script. Sometimes it happens. We have to probably, I wouldn't say stretch, elongate the thing, episode. तो इसको थोड़ा कभी कभी क्या होता है, आपने समझो मंडे ट्यूसडे का एपिसोड नहीं देखा, यू जॉइंड इन फ्रॉम वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे, so you don't know what has happened on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we just like if somebody is even joining in from Wednesday, they are not at all at sea कि यार क्या चल रहा है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So we keep like बीच बीच में हम याद दिलाते रहते कभी ये हुआ, ऐसा हुआ. So we go into flashes and all. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे यार हम लोग बीच में से ज्वाइन किया, we were not here and we joined बीच में. But like you said, like even critics are the ones who have also made the show so popular. So like I said, the effort is always there, Lakshit, to keep improving it.
Yeah.
And यार we can, हम लोग हमारे घर में भी सबको खुश नहीं रख सकते यार. So like you cannot keep a population of 130 crores people happy. So like somebody is not going to like something, somebody is going to like something. So yeah, that is about it, yeah.
Yeah, totally. I totally agree on that point of it, and I think even whatever you do.
And one more thing, Lakshit, one more thing which I feel is, क्या होता है ना कि आप अभी मुझे बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि like अरे यार, when Daya was shooting with us, now Daya's voice is a little ऐसा होता है, वो we are not liking it the way we used to like it earlier. But then people need to realize कि आप ये चीज ना, you are watching it since the last 8, 9, 10 years.
Yeah.
So after 10 years, we cannot change the character. आज character तो ऐसे ही बात करता है. So suddenly, she cannot talk in a normal voice. जो basic characteristic है, every character, that has to be there, that nobody can change. So Jeta is going to talk the way Jeta talks, Bede is going to talk the way Bede talks, और Hathi is going to talk the way Hathi talks. You cannot, अगर आपका शो 12 साल चला, 15 साल चला, you cannot change the way people are talking. So if people have a problem with that, you really cannot do much about it. आप character तो change नहीं कर सकते हो ना किसी का.
Yes, totally agree on that point of it. And also, you have been working with Tarak Mehta for a long time, and for a long 13 years, 13, 14 years, you have said. So when you got the opportunity, so was it always the opportunity of being a director, or was it something else before when you added and then you were?
No, I joined the show as an associate director. When I joined the show, I was directing this another show called Teen Bahuraniya. So then somehow I left the show and Asit Bhai called me and I went and I met him. So I joined this show as an associate director. And then within some time, I liked the setup here. And a lot of people here, I knew them because they had worked with my dad in Gujarati theatre. So be it Jetalal, be it Champak, be it Komal, Bagha, Nattu Kaka, they all have done a lot of plays with my dad. So I knew them at a personal level also since I was a child. I have been seeing them working with my dad. So, I had that comfort level. Plus, they like my work. Everybody liked my work. The producer liked my work. I enjoyed working here. And then within some time, I started directing the show. So yeah, that was my journey in Tarak Mehta. And then I always joined as a director. I mean, I always wanted to be a director and not a creative or anything else. My focus was very clear. Yeah, I want to direct the show, and that's I think what I've achieved
Yeah.
being here for 13 years now.
And has it been like, how would you rate it in the way of hard and easy? Like how much, like, of course you've been here for a long time, and I think you'd have learned a lot of things, but from how hard was it when you started in being a director and associate director? How are things then?
It was never really hard for me because without sounding very arrogant, you know, I was, I believe I was born to lead. Like, even in my school, I always used to lead in everything. Like I used to, control people, control, matlab, not in a negative way, but, I used to have a command over people. People used to listen to me. I had that convincing power. So, like, people told me, Madhav, you are so tall. This was in college. You are tall, you are handsome. Why don't you try acting? I'm like, nahi, yaar, acting mein, I have to take orders from people. कि अभी तेरा पैकअप है तू घर जा सकता है या sit here. I am somebody who likes being in charge of whatever I'm doing.
Hmm.
So my dad was a director in theater. He's directed around close to 150, 170 plays. So I used to watch him and I used to love the way how he used to be in charge of everything. So like people say, director is the captain of the ship. Like he controls everything on the set. So I think I was more into being in charge of my surroundings. So that's why I think direction probably, I found it more interesting. And, it was never hard for me because I always had that communication skills, convincing skills. And yeah, it was always easy for me. I never found direction tough, to be very honest.
Yeah, totally. And when you're a Gujarati and nothing is hard for you, it's your power. You can do, convince people. It becomes easy.
Yeah, honestly, it's nothing to do with being a Gujarati or being a Punjabi.
Yeah.
It's just like, I don't know. I mean, like I said, my bachpan se, yaar,
Yes.
I've been a notorious kid in my school,
Yeah.
but the teachers loved me. Like, I was a naughty kid, but every teacher loved me.
Mm.
So I never disrespected my elders. It was always fun. So, and even on the set, I still do that. We have such a lovely environment on the set. Be it Jetalal, be it Bhide, we are always pulling each other's legs. We are playing table tennis. We are playing cricket on the set. So it is a lot of fun because, you cannot, end of the day, we are doing a comedy show. So, we all have to be in a happy state of mind. We cannot, be in a very depressing atmosphere. So,
Yeah.
and touchwood, I got a very nice sense of humor. So, we are always laughing around as a set. And the entire team is full of fun loving people.
Of course, I think, yeah, totally. And so when you so when things are changing, when people are, of course, Dayaji left for some reasons. Dr. Hathi, the old Dr. Hathi, he passed away for because of some reasons. Then recently Nattu Kaka passed away as well. So when slowly and steadily, when things are growing, age of people are growing, and I think that as a thing is part of life, and nobody can stop it, right?
Yeah.
So as things are changing, as people are finding better opportunities or leaving the show for some personal reasons. So how do you think things are changing for the show? How are things changing for the set and for the whole for the team of Tarak Mehta?
See, I mean, Disha ji left the show. I wouldn't say left is the right word.
Rahul, yeah.
She was expecting a child. So, like, in pregnancy, like, it is very important for a lady to take care of a child. And, once the baby is born, it is very important to be with that baby, like, So, she took her time to be with the baby. And then, unfortunately, Corona hit us. So, like, in Corona, probably rightly, she's scared to join the set and go back to the baby home and put her at risk. So, like, respect her decision. With Dr. Hathi Bhai and Nattu Kaka passing away, you can't really do much about it. Um, I think the only constant in life is a change. That is the only thing which is constant. Okay, things are going to keep changing. So yeah, we do miss them. But people who have replaced them, Nirmal Bhai is doing his best.
Yeah.
Uh, but some things, Lakshit, you don't have control over. Like, if somebody passing away, somebody leaving the show because they are expecting a child, they are things where you cannot really do much about it. Uh, but since we have a big team, it's a big team of 20, 22 actors. So like somehow we make stories, where you don't, you can still work out without these actors and all. So yeah, I mean, it is upsetting in the sense that more than the show, like when you lose somebody in your life, like Natu Kaka was really close to me, Azad Bhai, Hathi Bhai was very close to me. So it upsets you, on a very personal level, not professional level. See, professionally, Dr. Azad passed away, Ghanshyam Bhai passed away, but the character is alive. The character is not passed away. So even when Azad Bhai went away, we got Nirmal Bhai to play the role of Dr. Hathi because that was a character. But at this stage, more than a professional loss, I think it is a very personal loss for all of us because we've been eating together, getting up together, staying together for 12 hours every day. So I would call it a personal loss more than a professional loss here.
Yeah, totally. And I think change is constant, so nobody can stop it
Yeah, I mean that
for that
you
matter.
can't do much about it.
Yeah, totally. So moving to the question, I think it's kind of fun, not fun really, but I think you getting into love with Priya, which is Rita Reporter in the show, people would know. So what's that story behind? How did things happen there?
That was quite a story, yeah. But honestly, like when I joined the show, Priya was not part of the show. She had left the show that time because she was doing another 3, 4 shows and she couldn't manage the dates. So when I joined, she was not there. But I used to hear a lot about her from people कि Priya Rita क्या करती है, Priya क्या बढ़िया एक्टर थी, क्या अच्छी लड़की है. So people used to talk about her. I'm like, hey, कौन, who's this Priya girl? I've never seen her. Then one fine day, he joined the show back again when we did the first GPL. So she came back and it might sound very filmy, but for me it was love at first sight. I saw and I something, something, it's very hard to explain if you don't go through that feeling, but something somewhere in my heart just clicked. Yeah, there's something about her. And then it was a night shooting, and while going back home, I was driving and listening to radio पे ये गाना आया, तुझे मिलके लगा है ये तुझे ढूंढ रहा था मैं, राज मूवी का. And I know she just flashed in front of my eyes, and I'm thinking about her, and I'm like, what is wrong with me? I don't even know her, but why am I behaving so strange? But yeah, then we didn't even speak for the first 6 months. She thought I was very arrogant. But मेरा ये था कि if you don't talk to a girl will always think, why is this guy not talking to me? Why is not giving me attention? तो मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि if you want girls attention, don't give her attention. तो उसको ही लगा कि एकदम ऐसे बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. Then somehow, slowly, something happened. 6 months we didn't speak. Then Diwali episode came and he just came and gave me a nice hug, wishing me happy Diwali, and I fell in love with her all over again. And yeah, then we became friends. And then the funny part was, Lakshit, we've never asked out each other. We became friends and we became very, very, very good friends. And then once I went home, I had never proposed to Priya. The first meeting, I met her mom. I asked for her hand, कि I love your daughter and I want to marry her. And even Priya was zapped, कि यार इसने आज तक मुझे नहीं बोला यार, ये सीधा आपको बोल रहा है. And then somehow, I think Auntie also liked me, and yeah, and then we got married. Yeah, it's been 10 years now. We are completing our 10th anniversary on the 19th of November. So it's been 10 years we've been married, and there has never been an official proposal either by her or from my side.
Yeah,
And I
beautiful.
think she was dating somebody else, and I was dating somebody else. Though we are on the verge of breaking up that time. So yeah, she was on a verge of breaking up. I was on a verge of breaking up. So initially we thought, okay, is this a rebound? But then since we are together since the last 12, 13 years, I don't think it is a rebound anymore. So yeah.
Totally. Totally beautiful. Thank you very much. So moving apart from that, more questions for people who wish to pursue
Yep.
acting or wishes to be on television or any of things as such. So what would be your advice to anyone who wishes to pursue to be a director, to be wishes to direct a movie, or wishes to be in wishes to join a show where we could learn about acting and a lot of different things? What would be your advice to them?
This is the first thing, I would like to tell people. Like, a lot of people want to join this industry because they think this is very glamorous. But, trust me, there is a lot of hard work in this industry. There is a lot of insecurity in this industry. I would not want to name people, but, there have been people who have taught me direction, who I joined initially, when I was a fresher, and I joined them and they have taught me direction. And, now they call me and ask me for work. Okay, मालूम कुछ काम होगा तो हमको please बोलना ना. And, I feel really bad. Like, because when you think of it, there are total 5, 6 channels. उसमें आप हर एक चैनल पे 4 शो पकड़ लो. 4 शो पकड़ लो तो बेसिकली देर आर 50 shows total. Every show needs max 1 or 2 directors. So 100 directors are working on those 50 shows. There are close to 10,000 directors in the market. So 9,500 directors are sitting khali at home. They don't have work. Same goes for actors. If in those 50 shows, say there are 500 actors, there are a total of 5 to 10 lakh actors who are struggling every day. Like, they are going for auditions, they are being rejected every day, left, right, and center. So, I think you need to be very honest to yourself whether you want to be an actor, you want to be a director. It should not be because you think this is a very glamorous field. यार क्या मजा आता होगा, क्या बढ़िया काम करते हैं सब लोग. There are a lot of tears. For I would talk about Priya. When before I met Priya, she tells me a story. She moved from Delhi to Bombay. She bought Maggie for. She only had 10 rupees. She bought 2 Maggie for herself to eat. And then she got a call for an audition. She didn't have money to go by bus also. So she went to the shop, she gave back the Maggie and she took 10 rupees and she went for the audition. So, like, people are doing this also here. So, be honest to yourself. If you really think you're a good actor, or if you really think you can make a good director, join the industry. And even if you just want to give it a try, give yourself a time frame. Every aspiring actor here or a director here or anyone who wants to work in the industry, give yourself a time frame कि I will struggle here, I will try my best for 2 years. अगर 2 साल में कुछ नहीं होता है, I will look for an alternative, job or work or anything. क्योंकि Lakshit, there are so many people, who I know cannot even make their ends meet. Like people who have been, कई बार क्या होता है ना लक्षित कि आप 10 साल काम करते हो, उसके बाद आपके पास 5 साल काम नहीं है. यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर वर्क, आपको कोई काम नहीं दे रहा है. So it is a very tough field. So do not come here only for glamour. If you are willing to struggle, if you are willing to cry, if you are willing to, probably sleep empty stomach at times, please come and join the industry. And give yourself a time frame कि यार मैं अपने आप को 2 साल दे रहा हूँ. अगर 2 साल में I don't see myself where I want to be, then I would start thinking about an alternative career. This is my honest advice to everyone here. It is not as glamorous as it seems. Like I work for 12 hours a day for like 29, 30 days a month at times. Like now we have not had a break since the last almost 30 days. So I don't have Sundays off. I don't have Saturdays off. I don't have bank holidays off. My friends have stopped calling me because I'm जब भी वो लोग प्लान बनता है मगर नहीं यार मेरा शूट है मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा. So there is no social life as such. There is no social life. तो डेफिनेटली प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है, लेकिन कॉन्स भी है तो वो सोच के ये इंडस्ट्री में ज्वाइन करो सब लोग.
Yeah, totally. Thank you very
एंड
much.
बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ यार. डोंट जस्ट थिंक इफ आई एम गुड लुकिंग आई कैन एक्ट. ऐसा नहीं होता है यार. नॉट एवरी गुड लुकिंग पर्सन कैन एक्ट यार. इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू डू.
Yes, totally. Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing that. Thank you very much. So, just 5 last questions quickly. I think so.
Sure.
What would be your best advice to anyone? Like, sorry, what's the best advice you have received from someone?
आई थिंक फ्रॉम माई डैड यार. एज अ किड ना आई यूज्ड टू बी दैट कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, पापा आई वांट दिस. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी अ वेरी लाइक जिद्दी किड. So one fine day he took me to Grand Road Station. He took me like, "Chal, I'll get you whatever you want." He took me to Grand Road Station, and there he showed me, these beggars sleeping on the footpath, and those small kids, playing over there. And my dad told me, "Like Malav, these guys they don't have a house. They don't know where their next meal is going to come from, and still they are very happy. They are still smiling. Like you have everything, and you still want things. So whenever you think okay, like my life is not nice to me, just think about these people on the roads. and bless yourself. Your life is way better than these people. And always be thankful to God. Okay, at least you have the luxury of having a bed to sleep on, and you have a luxury to have food in your plate. These guys don't have that. So always value what you have in life. So I think that was the best advice I've received from anyone ever.
Okay, okay. And a best and a bad advice.
Bad advice. Somebody told me industry join kar lo. So yeah, here I am, not not getting any time for my personal life
Yeah.
at all. So I don't know who that person was, but एक बार साला मिल जाए मेरे को कहीं पे वो.
Yeah, yeah. And so just a off thing, are you able to take up time for your kid and for Priya?
Not really, yaar. I mean, luckily because Priya is from the same industry, she understands. पर कई बार क्या होता है, आप घर जाओ, my kid has gone to sleep. Then next day morning I leave, he has not got up by that time. So probably there are times I will not see him for 2 days. Now recently because of Corona, when shooting was not allowed in Maharashtra, so we were shooting 2 months in Daman. So for those 2 months I didn't see my kid, like so. I mean, you do miss. End of the day, you wonder, okay, what am I working for? I'm working to earn money to probably spend a good time with my family, but you're not being able to give them the time that you would want to. Like how in any other job you have weekends off, you can plan somewhere. कि चलो 2 दिन लोनावला चले गए, 2 दिन we go to a hill station. But with us, we cannot do that. So yeah, that is the only drawback I feel. There should be something, where government probably steps in and says कि भाई Sunday compulsory no shooting allowed. कोई shooting allowed ही नहीं होना चाहिए Sunday को. You only work from Monday to Saturday. Somebody needs to step in and make this rule somewhere.
Yeah, totally. I think yes. I think let's hope things come up as people are becoming more and more aware about the working life and all of that. Maybe let's hope very soon. So one of the questions everybody wants to know: will Popat Lal get
I have
married?
no idea when Daya is coming back. I have no idea Popat की शादी कब होगी. So yeah.
Yeah. I'm just when I was thinking about this, the first question came to my mind: should I ask this or no? I'm like, okay, let me ask this: will Popat get married? And we're like, no.
No, I'm not saying no. He will यार, पर पता नहीं कब यार. I have no idea कब.
Okay.
So hopefully हो जाएंगे जल्दी उनकी शादी.
Yeah, hopefully, totally. So, one last
But he's very
question.
happy in his personal life यार.
Yeah.
Yeah, ask
Oh,
me.
of course, he's very happy in his personal life, no doubt
मस्त
on that.
शादीशुदा है, 3 बच्चे हैं यार, तो और क्या
Yeah.
चाहिए. So it's fine.
Yeah, totally, no doubt. Yes. So, last question. What would be your like if you, what would be your advice to yourself when you were 18? Like, what would you have told to
When
an
I
18-year-old Malav?
sorry, when I'm
Like, what would you have told to yourself when you were 18?
when I was 18.
Yeah.
ऑनेस्टली यार, मैंने अपने आप को क्या बोला था, मुझे वो याद ही नहीं है यार.
Like, if you would have been 18 after all your
If I was 18
experiences.
now, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say, yeah, Malav, be the way you are. Because, I think because of my dad, again, Lakshit, I think I am such a humble and a down to earth person. For me, like even today, like, even after becoming a director of this show in the last 13 years, I still, hug my spot people. I still hug my lightmans. I still hug even the crew people, like, people who serve me water, tea, I hug them also. So for me, like you said, I don't think I'm the Malav Rajda. There is nothing like the Malav Rajda. It's, यार आज काम है, कल काम नहीं है. So, my dad always told me, Malav, people will not remember you for the work you do.
You
People remember you for the human being you are. So,
you are.
I would always tell myself, I was 18, always be a good human being, respect your elders, and, respect people who are working below you, like, your maids or, your people who are way below you, be it the sweepers, always talk to people with respect and with love. And, that is what people remember about you, yaar.
Yeah.
आज कोई after this show ends, I don't think Lakshit, कितने लोग ये बोलेंगे मुझे नहीं पता है कि यार मालव बहुत अच्छा डायरेक्टर था. But I'm sure everybody will say that Malav was a great guy to work with, and that is what I want,
Yeah.
and that is what I always try to be humble and to be nice to people around me.
Totally, totally.
And honestly, I don't really have to try a lot. This comes very naturally to me, like being cordial to people or being nice to people. It's a very inbuilt thing for me because I've seen my dad like that. So yep.
Yeah, I think that no doubt in that, Malav. I think
And I would one advice I will want to give everyone seeing this podcast is please, please, there is a lot of grief and sorrow in this world. The least we can do is, be kind and nice to people. That is the least we can do. And that is the least we should try doing to people around us.
yeah, totally, totally. So thank you very, very much for joining in. A pleasure to talk to you. I just can't believe this. It happened. Uh,
Thank you,
still,
Ravi. Thank you for having
still
me over
thinking
here.
about this. Yeah, it's my pleasure, Malav. Thank you very much again for taking your time out and giving your time out. Thank you very, very much again.
Bye. Take care.